When I was doing some work under the hood recently, I thought it looked a little dirty. So, it's time to clean an engine. Only do this when the engine's cold. Water or cleaner can short-circuit electronics, so consider unhooking the battery. I used simple green, only leaving it on about 30 seconds. Gently hose it off, and repeat scrubbing while you're at it. High-pressure water or steam cleaning can damage electrical connections and components. You're safer spraying gently and downward and not up into the covered items. You might cover electronics and connections with plastic wrap or plastic bags. Try to avoid the coil or distributor and avoid getting water or cleaner into the air intake. I used a soft brush for scrubbing. Consider a smaller one to get into some tight spaces. I really could have used one here, and I should have slowed down a little bit. After the quick little cleaning, I hit the engine with some compressed air to chase the water away. I wiped the area down with a cloth. Sure, it helped dry it out, but mostly I was looking to touch up some of the dirty spots. And it's time for some Armor All. I'll try not to get it on the body. I'm planning on some painting soon, and silicone and paint do not play nicely together. A little brush here, or maybe a pad, could have helped get some Armor All into those nooks and crannies. Why worry about a cleaner engine? Oil and grease can accelerate wear. If you have any leaks, you can see where they're coming from. A clean engine looks nicer. You can end up with cleaner hands and clothes if you have to peek under the hood. A cleaner engine could also help your resale value. When it was all said and done, the engine started, there were no sparks or sputters. Hey, if I can do it, I know you can.